Locksmith, how can I help you?
Hello, this is my IP relay operator 7064F. Please hold a moment while I contact the person you're calling. We are now connected. Relay may begin. Hello, you people were supposed to come and get me into my business. This is about the fourth call I've made today. Go ahead.
We were just there. I am very angry. So please make sure the person understands.
One moment, please. May I please remind you to please speak slowly. I'm typing every word you're saying, and please speak a little louder. I can't hear you well. Could you repeat your message, please?
We were just at the location. I am very angry. You wasted our time. We waited outside the business for 20 minutes. No one was there.
Is that a go ahead? Could you say the word go ahead once your turn is done?
Go ahead.
Or when you're finished?
Yeah.
I was there the whole time. What the fuck is your problem? Go ahead.
Stick a pole up your ass. Go ahead.
Please repeat the first part you said from take the...
Stick a big pole up your ass. Hole. Go ahead.
You people wouldn't know professional if it landed on your stupid head. Could you please come and let me into my business? Go ahead.
Okay. I will send another technician to the location. I need a phone number in order to go. If you don't give me a working number, I can't go. We called the number 20 times and we get an answering machine. What is your phone number? Go ahead.
יש עבודות חרא, יש עבודות טובות. זה כנראה עבודה חרא. אז תתמודד עם זה, אבל צריך לעשות רייטים. שני ספקים 45.
I can't answer the phone because the phone is in the shop. Go ahead.
So, where were you waiting? We were outside. No one was there. Are you in the bar across the street? Or the gas station? Or
Can you
hiding
repeat
behind...
the last part from or the gas station or...
Hiding behind a tree? Go ahead.
Which I can't get into, which is my reason for calling you. I was standing across the street outside a gas station. I did not see anyone. Go ahead.
You didn't see a yellow cargo van parked in the parking spot in front of your business? Go ahead.
No, I did not. But I am short-sighted as well as deaf. Sorry about that. You should have shouted louder. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm on my way. I will see you soon. Please wait in front of the business.
Thank you. If you not get me in this time, I will be extremely pissed off. Go ahead.
Okay. service.
Hello, this is my IP relay operator 80392F. The person
You were right around the corner. We're right.
Hi, you were supposed to come and fix my lock, and this is the third time you haven't showed up.
We are right around the corner. Stay on the line. Stay on the line 1 moment. Stay on the phone. We're going to be there in 30 seconds. Please do not hang up the phone.
Okay, keep on the line. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay, do you see us? We are pulling out of the gas station. Over. Hello?
1 moment. I see you. I am at the gas station. Go ahead.
You're in the gas station.
Yes. Go ahead.
Do you see a yellow cargo van?
Sorry, sir. Could you repeat after? Do you see a yellow?
Cargo van.
Thank you. Behind the counter. I work there. Yes, I see a cargo van. Go ahead.
Okay. Do we pull in we're in the gas station. Go on. Can you come out?
I can't come out. I am working. Can you come in? Go ahead.
There is no one in the gas station. It is closed. Over. Somebody there now. Go over there.
If you go into the parking bay at DatBoys, could you try to get in? Go ahead.
Sam, I don't know how to help this person. I'm speaking to the operator now, not to the lady. I'm over here for the 5th time. What the fuck is wrong with this person? And I'm not speaking to the person, I'm speaking to the operator.
Yes, sir. I don't have any information about the person. Are you aware that the person is using the relay service because he might be deaf, hard of hearing, or speech impaired?
No, Oscar. No. It's so weird. I have this person on the line saying that they're locked out of your business. You talking to them? Yeah. It's like under a deaf person. Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm still waiting for the person to respond.
IP Relay. This is IPRelay.com. Yes,
sir.
How you doing? Guess what? Now I've warned you guys enough. You guys continue to call DatBoys Data Recovery. I will be filing a lawsuit. You sent a business down here.
Okay, sir.
That wasn't necessary. So you guys have got a problem. And now you guys are my witness. I've been prank called for 2 straight years by these boneheads. They've sent police down here, fire, ambulances.
Sir,
this is bad stuff.
The person has responded with my name. The person has responded with my name is Chris Perron. I am the general manager of DatBoys Data Recovery.
Hey, listen. Is this operator 9033F?
Sir, could you repeat after would you stop?
Is this operator 9033F?
No, sir, it's 80392F.
80392 what?
2. F as in F as in Frank.
F as in Frank. So repeat that, please.
You mean my operator number or the message of the person?
No, the operator number.
Yes, I do.
Say that again. Hello? 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 Hello?
So they're doing this from the computer?
One thing you don't want to do is you do not want to rant and record that. And they put it up on the net. It's against the law of state in this women. Hello? You start yelling at them.